This is a 2015 Jeep Wrangler, and it has the WILLYS edition on it. I'm going to screenshot the window sticker and put it in the photo section, that way you can see all the options. It's got the black rims, BF Goodrich tires, Smitty built black running boards. There's your WILLYS sticker there. Got the four-wheel drive sticker on the back. You have the gloss black bumper here. These tires are LT 255/75/17s. Got the gloss black grille as well as lower front bumper here. Pull into the shade. Has the AM/FM radio. We also have the XM radio, Sirius XM. Has Bluetooth. Single zone climate control. You have a 12-volt port here. It's got the Jeep rubber floor mats. It is manual crank windows. There's your cruise control. 59,005 miles. There's your Bluetooth. Manual adjust seats as well. Black cloth. It's got the locking console here. Second row seats here. And there is your cargo area with your seats that fold down flat.